TeleClass.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. How are you students? I hope you all are doing great. I am Yaania Miss, class teacher of 5C, and I am coordinating mixed subject. Today I met you all to take a mixed teleclass for grade 5 students. But before going to start today's lesson, let's recite dua.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Now I am going to share today's learning intention and success criteria. Learning intention. Today we are going to learn about recognize and compare large numbers with the help of less than, greater than and equal symbols. Recognize and write the place value of 6 digits numbers. Here is our success criteria. You will be successful if you can compare the large numbers using these symbols: greater than, less than and equal. Identify the place values and knows what each digits represent. Students, before going to start today's lesson, let's watch a video.
Hello kids! Today I will teach you all how to compare bigger numbers. Let us look at the first example. Compare the numbers 8,316,948 and 521,168. Look, here the first number is a 7-digit number, whereas the second number is a 6-digit number. Therefore, we say 8,316,948 is greater than 521,168. Or we can also say 521,168 is less than 8,316,948. Hence, when we compare two or more numbers with different number of digits, the number with the most number of digits is the greater number, and the number with the least number of digits is the smaller number. Now, let us solve another example. Compare the numbers 36 crore 18 lakh 88,346 and 36 crore 18 lakh 88,613. Since the number of digits in both these numbers are same, we follow a two-step procedure to find the answer. Step 1. Write the numbers in the place value chart, like this. Step 2. Compare the digits from the left to the right. Look, the first 6 digits, which are 3, 6, 1, 8, 8 and 8 are same, but the digits in the hundreds place are different. Here 3 is less than 6. Therefore, 36 crore 18 lakh 88,346 is less than 36 crore 18 lakh 88,613, or we can also say that 36 crore 18 lakh 88,613 is greater than 36 crore 18 lakh 88,346. Woohoo! Comparing numbers was fun.
Now let's discuss the vocabularies of comparing. Less than, equal and greater than. Less than. A symbol used to show numbers less than another. Equal. A symbol used to show numbers having the same value. Greater than. A symbol used to show numbers greater than another. Students, now look at this picture. What did you understand by seeing this picture? Very good. This picture says the hungry alligator. The hungry alligator ate the bigger number, right? The bigger number is 76 is bigger than 67. Students, remember always, the hungry alligator always eats the largest number. Now let's see some more examples. Students, you have to do is you have to write greater than, less than or equal sign in each numbers. Here's the numbers. Look at A. 53,931 and 54,931. When you compare or find the bigger number, underline the first number. So the first number is 5, right? 5 is same in two numbers. Then look at the next number and underline it. The next number is 3 and the another number is 4, right? Now you can identify which number is bigger, 3 or 4. You all know the bigger number is 4, right? So the answer is 54,931. Like that you have to do B, C and D. Students, now can you tell me the answer of B? Which number is bigger? Very good. 183,345. Very good. Now, tell me the answer of C. Which number is bigger? Very good. It's very simple, right? The first two digits are different. 6 and 7. So the biggest number is 7. 7,543. Now look at the number D. 123,765 and 123,765. Tell me the answer. Very good. Equal. Students, did you hear descending and ascending numbers? Yes, you already learned in previous grade, right? Okay, now let's recall. Okay, students, can you tell me what is descending number and what is ascending number? Very good. A descending number is largest to smallest. Ascending order or ascending number is smallest to largest. Now here is some activity. Students, can you help me to arrange the number? Okay. Put these number in orders from descending. Descending means largest to smallest. Okay. Before I say it, first you have to underline the first number. Before underline the first number, identify how many digits in each number. So look at the numbers. First number 5 digits, second number also 5 digits, but the third number is 3 digits and fourth number is 5 digits. And then underline the first two number. A 23, B 18 and D 17. Students, and write 1, 2, 3 and 4 top of each number. When you write 1, 2, 3 and 4 in top, you feel easy to compare the numbers. Okay students, now which number is come first? Very good. 23,345. The next number 18, 18,123. And the third number is 17,765. The smallest number is 546. Students, can you help me to put these numbers in orders from ascending order, smallest to largest? Which number is smallest? 9,741. The second smallest number is 23,123. And now the third smallest number is 43,230. The biggest, last, 135,345. Very good. You all did a great job. Now I am going to share the second learning intention. But before going to discuss the second learning intention, let's watch a video.
Good day, students. Today, our topic is all about place value of large number. But before we proceed, let me just give you some of the words that we're going to use as we go along in our topic. So we will call these words as fun words. This will help us and guide us to understand the lesson very well. Let's have the first word. We have the word digit. Do you know what is it? It is a symbol used to write numbers. Symbols is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can form a number using one or more digits. That is why digit is very important since digits are the parts of a number. For example, we have number 120. So in 120, we have 3 digits, right? We have 0, we have 2, and we have 1. So 120 is a 3-digit number. Next, we have the word place value. So from the word itself, place value refers to the position or place of a digit in a number. So we will elaborate this later in our lesson proper. And the last word, we have period. This is very much different from period or point that you know in a sentence, because here we will use period to name the group of digits. Let's have an example. Let us say we have the number 123,456. So as you can see, we have two groups of digits. We have the group of 456 and the group of 123. So those are periods. 456 belongs to ones or unit period. And then 123 belongs to thousands period. Then if we have more digits to the left of 123, that is another name of period. So here in our lesson, we will only use two periods, which are ones and then thousands. Now let's go to our topic, place value. So to identify the place value, we are going to use the place value chart. In a place value chart, you can see the period's name and then of course the place value. So we name the place value from the rightmost digit to the leftmost digit. From the right, we have ones, followed by tens, followed by hundreds, followed by thousands, then 10,000s, and then 100,000s. It is very important, class, that you know the correct order of the place value from the right going to the left. Okay, and we have to observe the correct spelling of each word. Let's have an example, 789,103. So again, we have to start from the rightmost digit, which is 3. So 3 will be ones. Then 0 is tens place. 1 is hundreds place. Then 9 is thousands place. And 8 is 10,000s place, and 7 is 100,000s place. Okay, let's have another number, 30,718. Again, start from the rightmost digit, which is 8. That will be ones place, followed by 1, which is tens. Then 7, that will be hundreds place. Next to its left is 0, that will be thousands place. And next is 3, which is 10,000s place. Okay? Next, let's have 319,577. So again, from the right, we have 7, that will be ones. Followed by another 7, that is tens. Next, 5 hundreds. 9 is thousands. 1 is 10,000s. And then 3 is hundred thousands. Now let's have the place values one by one so that you can memorize it. Again, from right to the left, we have ones. After ones, we have tens. Then after tens, to its left is hundreds. Next is thousands, followed by 10,000s, and the last one we have 100,000s. Okay, let's do it again. From the right, we have ones, then tens, followed by hundreds. Next is thousands. Then we have 10,000s, and then 100,000s. Okay, let's try to answer this activity. Find the place value of the box digit. So, let's have 198,456 and the box digit is 9. So to start with, we have to name the digit from the rightmost to the left. We have 6, so ones. 5 is, after ones we have tens. After tens we have hundreds, so that is 4. Then 8 will be what place? That is thousands. And then 9, after thousands we have 10,000s. Okay, so the place value of 9 in the number 198,456 is 10,000s. Next, let's have 10,894 and the box digit is 0. Let's do it again from the rightmost digit, which is 4. That will be ones. Next to ones we have tens, so 9 is tens. And then 8, of course, after tens is hundreds. And after hundreds we have thousands. So in 10,894, the place of 0 or the place value is thousands. Okay, for the next two items, try to answer it. Okay? Okay, how is it, students? Now, let us try to identify the digit that has the given place value. Let's have 104,789 and the given place value is ones. The answer is 9. Next, 56,453. The given place is thousands. The answer is 6. Okay, next we have 203,000 and the given place is 100. The answer is 0. Okay, so remember that place value refers to a place or position of a digit in a number. Place value helps us to read numbers. And we name place value from rightmost digit to the leftmost digit, following the order ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Okay, that would be all.
Students, here's the place value chart. In this chart, there are 6 digits numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. When you write or read the place value, you have to start with ones. Okay? Ones in 7, tens in 6, hundreds in 5, thousands in 4, 10,000s in 3, and 100,000s in 2. When you multiply the digits, you have to multiply 7 into 1 once. Tens means 6 into 10. 5 into 100. Thousands, 4 into thousands. 10,000, 3 into 10,000s. 100,000s, 2 into 100,000s. It helps to read and understand the large numbers. Students, what is this? Can you name it? Yes, very good. It's an abacus. In this abacus, you have to do is you have to count and write the numbers in each place value. When you start read or write, start with ones. Okay? Okay, now let's count ones. Purple color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 1 plus 7 and now let's count tens. 1, 2. Write tens in 2 and now count 100. Orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to write hundreds 6. Now let's count 1,000. 1, 2, 3. You have to write 3 in 1,000. Now the last 10,000. You have to write. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pink color. You have to write 4 in 10,000. Okay, very good students. I hope you all know how to write the numbers in place value. Students, here is some more activity. Are you ready to do? Okay, let's start. In this, you have to write the place values in colored digits. I have given 3 numbers A, B and C. Look at the number A. Can you tell me the place value of 9? Very good. 1,000. And now tell me the place value of 1B. Tens. Very good. Can you tell me the place value of C3? Very good. 10,000. Students, now this is your final activity time. I have given 4 questions. First question, compare the numbers using greater than, less than and equal symbols. Second question, write the place value of underlined digits. You have to write the place value of underlined digits. Third, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Fourth question, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Students, do this work on your next notebook. Now let's recall or discuss the today's success criteria. These are the today's success criteria. Compare the large numbers, arrange the orders descending and ascending order, Identify the place values and write numbers what each digits represent. I hope you all achieve today's success criteria. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home. Wash your hands frequently. Wear a mask when you go out. Thank you.
DPS TeleClass